Hello everyone, friends. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will examine Xiaomi's new YU7 model, which has a high technology and long electric range. The new Xiaomi YU7 is both a luxurious and high-performance SUV with high technology. The design of the YU7 is very similar to Ferrari's Purosangue model. With its high technology, impressive range, and electric engine power values, it almost intimidates many of its competitors, including Tesla. Xiaomi YU7 offers 690 PS maximum horsepower, impressive 0 to 100 acceleration of 3.23 seconds, 253 kilometers per hour maximum speed data. Equipped with the V6S Plus Xiaomi Super Engine, luxurious chassis configuration, and long battery life for the entire series. Armored cage-type steel-aluminum hybrid body, electronic and electrical architecture, and Xiaomi-supported driving system have been comprehensively developed. All series have long battery life and 800-volt silicon carbide high-voltage platform. Xiaomi YU7 ranks first among medium and large pure electric SUVs with a maximum range of 835 kilometers. Xiaomi YU7 Pro ranks first among four-wheel drive, pure electric SUVs with a CLTC range of 770 kilometers. The fastest charging distance reaches 620 kilometers in 15 minutes, which eliminates charging anxiety. Xiaomi Mi Horizon Screen's panoramic screen goes beyond imagination, becomes more intuitive, and offers a unique technological experience. Panoramic curve projection technology, 1.1 meters ultra-wide panoramic screen, 108 pixels per degree super retina level, high-resolution screen image has been achieved. It can be displayed flexibly according to your needs. Important information can be clearly seen at a glance, and a personalized mobile smart space has been created. Xiaomi YU7's brain is equipped with a third-generation Snapdragon 8 mobile platform and a processor equipped with 4-nanometer process technology. NVIDIA Thor's new generation in-car computing platform offers a better driving support experience with a maximum processing power of 700 TOPS. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like the video. Hope to see you in another review video. Goodbye.